Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the lecture of class 10th, today I will teach you cross multiplication method. This method is used to solve a pair of linear equations. For solving the pair of linear equation, we have three algebraic methods. First is substitution, elimination. These two I have explained in my previous lectures. Today I will solve the third and last method, that is cross multiplication method. Okay, now come to the method how we can solve the value, solve for x and y by using cross multiplication method. I will take two general equations to tell you how it is working, how this method is working. A2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. These are the two general equations of linear equations form. Okay, come to the formula. We always write 2 3 1 2. What is this 2 3 1 2? 2 means coefficient of y, that is present at the second term. This is present as a third term. This is constant term, that is third term. Now a1 and a2, the coefficient of x is first term, and then we repeat the second term again. Okay, like this b1 b2, this c1 c2, this a1 a2, then b1 b2, right? So this is the way how we can solve. In these two terms, by solving these two terms, we get x, then y, then 1. How we can get x upon? We will take the cross multiplication like this. What is the cross multiplication? b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Okay, in the denominator. In the denominator of y, we will have c1 a2 minus a1 c2 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2, this is a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right? So this is the way to solve. When we take the cross multiplication, this term come in positive sign and this term come in negative sign, because it is in opposite direction. Okay, so for solving the question, we will take this and this for x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now I will take this in the numerator. X is equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, now come to the y's value. Y, how we can find the value of y? Is equals to y upon c1 a2 minus a1 c2 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. I will take this in the numerator. Y is equals to c1 a2 minus a1 c2 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the way to solve y and this is the way to solve x. So this is the cross multiplication method. Okay, the examiner will never be told to you to solve the question by a particular method. It is totally of your choice to choose a method. Okay, now come to the questions. I will take the examples from your ncert. How to solve the questions from using cross multiplication. Come to the questions. I will solve the questions of ncert of exercise for 3.5. This is first question is 3.5 exercise of your ncert. Exercise 3.5 of ncert. Now solve the question by cross multiplication. Solve by cross multiplication method. The statement is, the equations are given as 2x plus y is equals to 5, 3x plus 2y is equals to 8. For the cross multiplication, I will take this on the left hand side. For applying the cross multiplication, plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. This is 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. I will again write the formula 2 3 1 2. You have to learn 2 3 1 2. Okay, so this is 2 3 1 2. Take the terms accordingly. 2 1 2. This is the second term. Coefficient of y is equals to 1. So you have to write 1, 2. 3 minus 5 minus 8. 1, that is 2 and 3. This is 2 and 2 and 3. And I will repeat again the term 2. In these two terms we will have x, y and then 1. Cross multiplication. Take the cross multiplication like this. X upon minus 8, because when you multiply with it by this value we will have minus 8 minus 10 is equals to y upon minus 15 minus 16 is equals to 1 upon 2 to the 4 minus 3. X upon minus 8 plus 10, y upon minus 15 plus 16 is equals to 1 upon 1. What is the next step? X upon 10 minus 8, that is 2. Y upon 1 is equals to 1 upon 1. X upon 2 is equals to 1 and 1, because I want to take the value, find the value by using first and last. X is equals to, take this 2 on the numerator. Okay, so this is x is equals to 2. Now take second term and the third term again, y is equals to 1. So this is the way to solve the question by using cross multiplication method. That is also very easy. Okay, I will take the question number 2, in which we have to find the value of a and b. Okay, so how we can find the value? If the infinite numbers, one condition is given to you, you have to find the value of a and b by using that value. Okay, so how you can find the value? The question is find the value of a and b. Next question, find the value of a and b if equations have infinite number of solutions. Okay, the equations are given as 2x plus 3y is equals to 7 and a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equals to 3a plus b minus 2. So this is the question. How we can solve the question? By you can use any method to solve this question. The condition is you have to write the condition for equation has infinite number of solutions. That means these are consistent system of solutions. So because equations have infinite number of solutions. Okay, number of solutions. That means the condition is a1 upon a2. Constant line has the equation a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. I will put the values in this condition a1 upon a2, that is 2 upon a minus b. b1 upon b2, that is 3 upon a plus b is equals to c1 upon c2, 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, so for solution of a and b, I will take first and second, make one equation. I will take second and third, make second equation. By using that two equation, I will find the value of a and b like this. 2 upon a minus b is equals to 3 upon a plus b. Take the cross multiplication, a plus b is equals to 3a minus b. That will equals to 2a plus 2b is equals to 3a minus 3b. Okay, I will take this a on the left hand side, right hand side, and this on the left hand side. 2a plus 3b is equals to 3a minus 2a. That means a is equals to 5. This is b. This is 2b, not a, because both this is b. 2b. That means this is 5b. A is equals to 5b. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now I will take second and third term. Taking second and third term, 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. How we can find? Again take the cross multiplication. 3a plus b minus 2 is equals to 7a plus b. Now you can multiply 3 3s are 9, a plus 3b minus 6 is equals to 7a plus 7b. Now make the one equations using two variables, using these two a and b constants. So take these two terms on the left hand side, 9a minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b is equals to 6. Okay, 2a minus 4b is equals to 6. I will take 2 common, a minus 2b is equals to 6. Now come to this side, I will do the next part in this side. The next part is you have to make one equation more, and after that you can substitute the values. Okay, so how you can solve? By taking 2, dividing the 2 in the next step, we have a minus 2b is equals to 6 by 2. After cancellation, we have 2b is equals to 3. Now this is the time to putting the value of a, so that the whole value become in a form of a or b. So I will change this a, write down from a, from 1, put the value of a, 5b minus 2b is equals to 3. This is 3b is equals to 3 and b is equals to 3 upon 3. After cancellation 1, so b is equals to 1. Now I will substitute the value of b in first equation. What is how we can solve the second value? From 1, I will write from 1, this is equation number 1. From 1, put the value of b is equals to 1, 5 into 1, a is equals to, if you write 5 into 1, that is 5. So this is the value of a and this is the value of b, and this is the way to find the value of a and b, or if there is a k in place of a and b, you can find the value of one constant, that is k, by using this type of method. Okay, now come to one statement question. What is the statement question? I will take that statement question from your NCERT. I will take simple questions so that you can easily understand the concept of cross multiplication, the method, that is cross multiplication method. So I will take that question so that the question is a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted, this is 1 is subtracted from the numerator, so and it become 1 by 4 and it become 1 by 4 if 8 is added, to its denominator, find the fraction. The question is very, very simple, how to find the fraction and how you can find the value of the fraction. That is how you can make the equation and how you can find the fraction by using numerator and denominator. So let numerator is equals to x, denominator is equals to y. Okay, the fraction is equals to numerator upon denominator, that is x upon y. Okay, according to question, the first statement is said to be if 1 is subtracted from the numerator, that means x minus 1 upon y is equals to 1 by 3. Take the cross multiplication, 3x minus 1 is equals to y. Okay, this become 1 by 3. This is 3x minus, I will take this y on the left hand side, but I will write in the next step so you can easily understand. 3x minus y minus 3 equals to 0. So this is your equation number 1. Okay, now come to the second condition. What is the second condition? 8 is added to its numerator. So 8 is added to its numerator, x plus 8. Numerator on denominator, x y plus 8 is equals to 1 by 4. Now take the 8 is added to its denominator. So this is the denominator. Take the cross multiplication, 4xy plus 8. Right? Take these two terms on the left hand side, 4x minus y minus 8 equals to 0. So this is equation number 2. Now I will write that 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2 is 3 and 4. 3. Okay, this is second term. That is minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. 3 is minus 3, minus 8. Minus 3, minus 8. 1 is 3 and 4. 3 and 4, and I will repeat 2 again, minus 1 and minus 1. Take cross multiplication like this. This is x, this is y, this is 1. Okay, now I will rub from this side so that I can write the whole solution here. Okay, x upon multiply minus 8, that is 8, minus 3 is equals to y upon minus 12 minus 24, okay, is equals to 1 upon negative 3 and minus 4. Okay, now x upon 5 is equals to y upon minus 12 plus 24 is equals to 1 upon minus 3 plus 4. X upon 5 is equals to y upon 12 is equals to 1 upon 1. Okay, I will take the values like x upon 5 is equals to 1 upon 1. That means x is equals to 5. Okay, y upon 12 is equals to 1 upon 1. That means y is equals to 12. Okay, so this is x and y values. At last you have to write the fraction. How you can write the fraction? Taking the values which you have taken in the starting of the question, when you have supposed that value fraction is, you have supposed that fraction numerator upon denominator, that is x upon y, and what is the value of x? That is 5, and what is the value of y? That is 12. So 5 by 12 is the fraction. This is the fraction which the question demands. So this is the way to solve the questions by using cross multiplication method. It is not asked by the CPSC examiner that you have to choose, you have to do the question only by a particular method. It is totally of your choice to opt a one method. Okay, so this is the way to solve the cross multiplication method, the questions by cross multiplication method. Do the practice of these type of questions. Thank you.